Hi, I'm Emily from Rapid Fire Supplies. Today I'll be showing you how to put on a clear mask. When handling your clear mask, be sure to use the edges so that you don't contaminate the surface. A small layer of film is on the front of each mask. Peel this off carefully before you put it on. It might be easier to tie your hair up if you have long hair to keep it out of the way. I decided to do this, but it's not compulsory. Put your mask over your head using the elastic bands attached. Make sure that it's comfortable, and then adjust the back using the toggle. Once it is tight and feels comfortable, you're ready to go.